So welcome back children to the second part chapter, that is managing files and the folders. So today we are covering two topics, that is creating and opening a folder and moving or copying a file folder. So first topic is about creating a folder. It means how to create a new folder. So let's start. Right click on the blank area of the desktop, okay, and a shortcut menu will appear. So place a pointer on the new option. A list of sub options appears. When you place a pointer on the new option, a list of the sub options will appear. So click on the folder option from the sub options and a new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop, and type a name for the folder at the cursor positions and press the enter key. A new folder is created. Okay, first what we have to do, first we have to click on the blank area of the desktop, then a shortcut menu will appear. So place the pointer on the new options, click on the folder option and then type a name of the folder and the position and press the enter key. A new folder is created. So let's explain with the picture. Children, look at the shortcut menus. First of all, what we have to do, first we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, then shortcut menus will appear. This is the shortcut menu which is appear after clicking on the blank area of the desktop. So here is the option that is new. So place your pointer to the new option. When you click on this options, this shortcut menu will appear on the desktop. Okay, again it displays after clicking on this option, and there is a folder option. Then click on this folder option and a new folder icon will displayed on your desktop, and then write the name of the folder at the cursor position and then press the enter key and new folder is created. Okay, this is very simple. So now let us start the second topic about moving or copying a file folder. So children, second topic is about moving or copying a file folder. In this option there are two options are consist. First one, that is from one drive to another, and second one is about between the storage devices. So first we have to learn about from one drive to another, means how to move a copy or a folder or a file from one drive to another. So what is the meaning of moving? Moving means shifting it from its original location to another location. Okay, moving a file or a folder means shifting it from its original location to another location. And what do you mean by copying? So copying means a file folder which is create a duplicate copy of a selected file folders. It means that to create a duplicate copy of the selected file folders. So first topic is from one drive to another. It means copying or moving a file or a folder from one drive to another. So children, let us start. First what we have to do, we have to double click on the computer icon on the desktop, and it displays the hard disk drives, CD, DVD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. So now double click on the drive icon, okay, and it will display all the files and folders stored in it. The third option is select any file or a folder that you want to move or a copy, and then click on the organize button and select the cut or a copy options from the drop down menu, and select the drive where you want to move or a copy the file. Click on the paste option in the organize drop down menu, and now the file gets moved, copied to the new location. So children, what we have to do first, that first of all we have to double click on the computer icon and then click on the drive icons from the computer option, and it will display all the files and folders stored in it. And then select any file and a folder that you want to move, and then click on the organize button, and after organize button there is drop down menu will appear, and cut, and then select the cut and copy options, and again go to the left pane and select the drives where you want to move or copy the file, and just click on the paste option in your organize drop down menu, so the file gets moved, copied to the new locations. So now I will explain it with the help of the picture. Okay, children, look at this picture. This is the window of the computer. When you double click on the computer icon, then this window will appear. There is a number of drives like D, E and F. Okay, so these are the drives of a computer. So now what we have to do, if we want to move any file or a folder from this drive to any of them, so what we have to do, we have to click on this drive, and after clicking, all the files and folders will display which is stored in it. For an example, there is a folders of a books and tiles. Just click on this option. This is the selected file. It means when you select this folder, it shows like a selected files or a folder, and then come to on this option. This is organized. When you click these options, all the drop down menus will appear, and here is the option of copy. Just select this copy options and just come to on this left side navigation pane. Here all the drives are appears. So select those drive where you want to move or copy the file, and click on the paste options in the organized drop menu. This is the organized drop menu. If you want to suppose if you want to paste in the E option in E drive, and just click on this drive and go to the organize option, there is a drop down menu will appear, and from those drop down menu there is a option of paste. Just click on the paste option, and now you will observe that the file gets moved or copied to the new location. Okay, then your copy is then your folder is moved or a copy from the D drive to E drive. Now come to on the second, that is between the storage devices. Now second is between the storage devices, means moving and copying the files and folder between the storage devices. So children, just take an example. If we want to move any file or a folder from one device to another, like drive D of your computer to a pen drive. As I told you, pen drive is a storage devices, and these devices like CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drives, flash drives, these are the storage devices. So if we want to moving or copy a file or a folder between these storage devices, so follow these steps. First, what we have to do, that first of all we have to attach the pen drive to your computer. We have to attach the pen drive or other storage devices which you want to connect of your computer. Then we have to attach it, and then right click on the start button and select the open window explorer option. After select the drive, okay, for example D drive as I take, so select a D drive from the navigation pane on the left side, and then select the file and a folder that you want to move to the pen drive. Okay, and then right click on the file and a folder and select the cut options from the shortcut menu. When you right click on any folder or a file, then there was a shortcut menu will appears, and then select the cut option from that shortcut menu, and then click on the pen drive options. Okay, pen drive icon from the left pane, and drive opens up, and then right click on the blank area in the right pane and select the paste option. So you will observe that the selected file and folder is shifted from drive D of your computer to the pen drive. Whereas when you use copy option, as I told you that select the cut option. So children, if you use copy option, so what will happen, the file and folder does not move from its existing place, means from its original place, rather it's get copied to the other device, okay, other drive or devices. So we have to explain it with the help of the picture. As I told you, when first of all we have to attach the pen drive to our computer, and after connecting this pen drive to the computer, this window will appear. This is the drive options of the pen drive is appear in your computer section, where all the drives and these pen drives are appear. So what the next, that we have to right click on the start button and then select the window explorer option. So after window explorer option will appear this window, this is the window explorer, okay. So next what we have to do, select the drive from the navigation pane. This is the navigation pane where all the files or a folder or all the drives are displayed, like D, E, F, and this pen drive is also, okay. So now what the next, select the file folder that you want to move the pen drive, means if select the drive, that is if you select this drive, that is E from the navigation pane, then select the file and folder that you want to move to the pen drive, and then right click on the file or a folder and select the cut options from the shortcut menu, okay, and then click on the pen drive option from the left pane and right click on the blank area in the right pane and select the paste option. So you will observe that the selected files or a folder is shifted from the drive to your computer to pen drive. Now children, this is all about the moving or a copy a file or a folder from one drive to another and one drive to storage devices.